The Maori Haka stands as a captivating and profound tradition deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of New Zealand. Its significance goes beyond being a mere dance. It is a compelling showcase of cultural identity, unity, strength, and passion. Here's a detailed exploration of the Maori Haka. What is it? The haka encompasses a spectrum of Maori performances characterized by chanting, rhythmic stomping, intricate body movements, and expressive facial gestures. More than a dance, it serves as a potent representation of cultural values and emotions. Origins. The roots of the haka delve into ancient times, with narratives connecting it to mythical ancestors and historical events. Different Maori tribes have developed their own unique variations of the haka, each carrying specific stories or serving distinct purposes. Traditional uses. War cry. Historically, the haka was employed as a formidable tool to intimidate adversaries before engaging in battle. Welcome. Tribes used the haka to greet and honor visitors, marking a gesture of respect and acceptance. Celebration. The haka played a pivotal role in commemorating significant events, be it weddings, victories, or other joyous occasions. Expression of grief. During times of mourning, the haka served as a poignant expression of sorrow and farewell during funeral ceremonies. Modern significance. In contemporary times, the haka has evolved into a symbol of national pride for New Zealanders. Its performance has become a customary practice at various events, including sporting events. The renowned All Blacks, New Zealand's national rugby team, perform the ka mate haka before each match, instilling a sense of identity and strength. Cultural gatherings. The haka is an integral part of welcoming ceremonies, cultural festivals, and community events, fostering a connection to Maori heritage. Individual expression. Some individuals or groups utilize the haka as a form of personal or collective expression, showcasing its adaptability and relevance in diverse contexts. Impact and importance. The haka transcends cultural boundaries, captivating audiences worldwide. Its representation of pride, strength, and cultural resilience sparks curiosity and appreciation for Maori traditions on a global scale. Further exploration. To deepen your understanding and appreciation for the Maori haka, consider watching videos. Explore various haka variations, such as the powerful ka mate or the graceful poi'i, through online videos. Visiting New Zealand. Experience the haka live by attending cultural performances or sporting events in New Zealand. Reading material. Delve into books or articles about Maori history and culture to gain insights into the historical and cultural significance of the haka. Remember, the haka is a sacred and powerful tradition. It deserves respect, and understanding its cultural significance enhances the experience of witnessing or participating in this extraordinary Maori practice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.